Good afternoon, guys. It is another Sunday and I am at the flying field. Me and Miss Bailey again. Come on up, Bailey. She's worked up. Anyway, we'll be flying something different today. This is a Piper Cub, which is a little bit smaller than the other plane I usually fly. This only has an 80-inch wingspan, and the motor in this one is a 20cc gas motor, where the other one's an 85. So this is a much more scale plane. It's going to fly a lot slower and fly more like the real thing. So I haven't flown it in a while, so we're going to put this one together. Right now I got the battery charger here charging up some batteries. There's two batteries that sit in the back that control, not that they control, they supply power to all the flight controls. And then there's another battery up front here that also powers the ignition for the gas motor. So it's a gas motor, it has a spark plug, so you've got to have a spark. So there's another battery for that. So sounds like one of the batteries just beeped, so it's probably almost charged, so it won't take too long. We'll get the wings on it and maybe get a few flights in. I don't know, it's getting kind of windy. This plane really doesn't like a lot of wind, but we'll see how it goes. And then probably about 2 o'clock or so, we're going to do some barbecue. And I got some hamburgers, some cheddar brats, and some chicken to cook. So we got potato salad, coleslaw. Should be a few people showing up to eat, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, it's a pretty nice day. It's just about 80 degrees right now, and like I said, we got a little bit of wind, a little bit of breeze, so it's real comfortable. And just sitting here enjoying it for right now. I'm the only one here, me and Bailey. Right, Bailey girl? You love coming down here, don't you? You love it here, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, she wouldn't let me out of her sight this morning. She followed me all over the house, and I took her out right before I left to go to the bathroom, and she wouldn't go back in the house. She went over and sat by my pickup truck. So she just loves coming down here. Anyway, that charger's beeping. We're gonna get the next battery on and then get the plane put together. Alright, so we got a couple of flights in today. I don't know how well the cameras came out and stuff. I don't think I had very good luck with them, but we'll see when I get it onto the computer what we got. Anyway, had a great day. It was pretty warm, but there was a breeze all day long, so it wasn't too bad. It was bearable. So we're about 20 miles from home now. It takes us 25 minutes or so to get home. We're gonna put some food on the barbecue. Really nice evening, afternoon coming on, looks like. No, not a cloud in the sky right now. Alright guys, as you can see, didn't end up cooking down at the flying field, so I'm cooking everything here at home, and I'll probably bring some of this food with me on the road, I would think. Yeah, so we got burgers, we got chicken, and we got cheddar brats. Yeah, so I got all this food to cook for the guys down the field, and really only, well, about 4 guys showed up. 2 of them didn't want to eat, and the other 2 didn't get there till later, so at that point I just kept it in the cooler and decided I was going to cook it when I got home.